This is how you can create customers. As you see here in the menu, Sales, Setup, and Customers. When you click this, it will open the customer screen. This screen is a list screen, displaying all the existing customers you have created. If you haven't created any, this list will be empty. To create a new customer, click the Add Customer button. Client number. If left empty, the number will be generated by the system, or you can provide your own number. Provide the name of the customer. Customer ID. This can be a national ID, TIN, or CRN, typically provided by the company you are dealing with. Business type. Specify whether it is a company, individual, or one-time customer. For individual or one-time customers, no address is required. For B2B companies, the type is always company. Currency. Specify the currency. VAT number. CR number. Address details. Enter the address details as per the CR certificate of the customer and the country. This is required for B2B companies. If the billing address is different from the shipping address, you can provide a separate address. If they are the same, click the Same as Shipping Address button, and all the details will be copied. Next, provide the contact details for the customer. You can add multiple contact persons if needed. Define the payment terms here, such as 30 days or 10 days, and the payment type, card, bank, or cash. These fields are not mandatory but are nice to have. After filling in all the details, save the information. Once saved, the system will create the customer, and you will see them listed on the screen. You can return to the list screen to view all customers and search for specific customers by name. Business type, currency, or client number. This is an important step in creating a customer.